Hello chickadees, how are you today? I have a video, I'm going to do a flip through on a journal that I created. I'm sorry about the angle of how I have the camera set up. If I do it straight down and I turn the pages, it hits it just from the aerial view when I set my camera up. So that's why it's a little bit different with this video today. So I did a Paris theme journal, and I normally, when I do like the closure for the journal itself, I usually tie like a nice big shabby ribbon around it, or lace, and that's what I did here. And I have this really sweet charm that has the Eiffel Tower in little gems. I love it. I love this. And so that's my closure, and you just take it off and you can slip it right back on, or you can retie it, up to your discretion. This is going to be for sale in my shop on Etsy, Golden Nest Studio. And I created it from a binder. I have some fabric going down the side, and I have a picture of the Eiffel Tower, and I created the whisper of romance in your heart, and then I put some dimensional flowers on here. And I believe this image came from the Graphic Fairy. I do believe that, yes. And so what I did was I tore it and ripped around the edges. I distressed it in black and layered it underneath with some scrapbooking paper, and then this has been all painted and distressed with black and white paint. This is the back. Some paper, some more vintage lace, and the fabric around the spine. And then the inside I've created with scrapbooking paper. I lined the inside here. It's got like a bronzy type of finish on the metal. I have two journaling cards. This is some French book paper and a French journaling card there with a clip and some vintage. All the clips will have the vintage lace on it. And there's going to be a glare from the lights because a lot of this has foil in it to bring out all the, kind of like glitzy stuff. That is the French book paper. Created a pocket here. Some French book paper that I folded. And we have some scraps of paper here that you can use as bookmarks or tags, journaling, summertime in Paris. Some more journaling cards. Some of the vintage lace, and here's what the pocket looks like here that I created. Ooh, that's some shiny paper, isn't it? I apologize, but there's nothing I can do because of the overhead lights. Regardless of what angle I have my camera on, or at, excuse me. And places to journal, put mementos. This would be a great gift for, like, if you got married and you are on your honeymoon. It's a great travel journal, a sign-in book, a guest book for a shower. Great gift for any bride-to-be, or maybe like an anniversary gift. Some more of the shiny paper that I'm sure is blinding you. And another card. Got a little gold bird on it. I love the bird. Such busy little creatures they are. Some more cards here. I tried to stay within the theme of the color because I thought it was so I don't know, just very shabby chic. I did a punch down here. Here is a pocket. Got a little crown. And in here, this is made from a glassine bag. I put some vintage lace, covered it with paper. We have all these really cute darling tags that I created. Vintage lace on top. I stamped a Eiffel Tower on that. Some more journaling cards. And I stamped Paris on this. Just created just a little card. Put some vintage lace. And it all fits really nicely in here. And you have, and it's pretty elongated, so you have room to put other things, mementos. Another journaling card. Isn't this paper beautiful? Love it. It's so delicate. And then here I put, she whispered oh so softly, tell me you love me, with a little heart. And then I typed that up on the computer and then printed it out and created a little saying and then distressed each one, glued it down. Some French book paper, another pocket. I stamped Paris there, and then in here we have some French book paper, a postcard. I stamped Paris in the corner. It's the back. Another postcard, another one, and this was a bookmark. And all of that fits nicely in there. And Eiffel Tower paper, sweet singing. I typed here, sweet singing from the lovely birds. And it's on music paper. Well, this is actually scrapbook paper, two-sided. It had music paper on that side. Some more blinding foil, but it doesn't blind you when you're using it. It's only when you have it underneath the light. And I also created some of these tabs, and on each tab I put a piece of paper so you can write and use categories and sections of whatever it is you may want to do. French book paper, magical evening as crickets chirp. I typed that and distressed it, put it down. Some postcard paper here. Another punched portion of paper. I did a large pocket here with some vintage lace, and in this pocket we have a postcard that I stamped with the Eiffel Tower, a journaling card, some book paper, and all that fits nicely in here. And then I took, this is a die that I had, an alphabet, and I cut out Paris with another pocket and more foil paper. Fancy schmancy. And we have the Eiffel Tower with some vintage lace, more journaling cards, Ooh La La Paris, and some French book paper. And it all fits in there. French book paper, another journaling card. I love the gold though. It just brings it all out. And you get like gold reflective off the bronze here too, so it all goes nicely. Loving the life you have, especially if you're a newlywed, or maybe 50 years of marriage. So I have this like little accounting sheet, more journaling cards I stamped on the back there. Eiffel Tower with a little star. And so that goes right in here, in that pocket. We got this really sweet lady dancing. She looked very French to me. Scrapbook paper and another journaling card. And then I put down here, I had this little strip of paper that had all these little boxes. So I just numbered it 1 through 25 or 45. And then maybe it could be used for a list or something. Or maybe events. And then this is like a little bookmark I made. It says, "The brightest moon shone over Paris." And then I just hand cut a little moon out of the gold stripe paper foil. And then I just have that stuck right up here. And paper clip is black and white too to kind of match. Paper clip. And then I did a belly band here with some foil paper. And you have French book paper, like an accounting sheet, another one of these accounting sheets that are smaller. I love these, they're so cute. And that is the end. Here I did the cover the same as the front on the inside, and then I showed you the back earlier. And then once this is closed, we have all of the vintage lace with some of the paper clips, and you stick up from the top, and then you just take your vintage lace wrap closure, put that back on, slide it on, and you have enough room, if you can see it from here, you have enough room so this becomes much thicker once you start filling it. And obviously this is lace, so it can be retied, and it also has like a little bit of elastic in it, so that can expand, and use that as your closure. So that is the Whisper of Romance in Your Heart journal. And again, you can find that in my Etsy shop. I'll put the link below. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you would like to subscribe, I would appreciate it. And hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.